Dear students of SSC first year and second year, how are you all? I think you are fine by the grace of Almighty. Our today's video is of English first paper, and in this video I will discuss two questions, question number 1, B, and question number 3. And these are answering question and summarizing. These are the questions that you have to answer from the text. So you have to go through the text very well to do well in question number 1, 2 and 3. In question number 1, you have two parts, MCQ and answering question, and in question number 2 you have flowchart, and in one video I discussed about the matter, and in question number 3 you have to answer summarizing. So let's discuss two of these, answering question and summarizing. Before going through the text, I have some activities with you. I am going to show you some picture. In picture number 1, there is a very cute baby sleeping, and we see the baby is smiling. And in picture number 2, we see a young lady sleeping, and at the same time she is dreaming something. And in picture number 3, we see a young man dreaming something, keeping his eyes open. And in picture number 4, we see a little girl dreaming something, dreaming about her aim in life. So in these 4 pictures, we see that the persons in the pictures are dreaming. In picture number 1 and in picture number 2, they are dreaming about dreaming something while they are sleeping. And in picture number 3 and in picture number 4, we see them dreaming, keeping their eyes open. So whatever, so you may now understand what might be the topic of today's video. Today's topic is dreams. So it is a topic from your text English for today. So I suggest you to listen to the video and at the same time make necessary notes. Okay, before going through the text, let's know some word meaning. These are the words. First one is nightmare. So the meaning of nightmare is dreadful, horrible, something that makes us afraid. Imagination means thought. And then daydream. Daydream means fantasy, that is not real. And then reverie is daydream, that is fantasy. Romantic. Romantic means loving, dear, etc. Hallucination means illusion. And then shadowy. Shadowy means obscure, that is not clear. And then silvery. Silvery means grey or without color. Dreamy. Dreamy means wonderful, that we expect, that we love to see. Reality means truth. And then pleasant. Pleasant means enjoyable. And then hunting. Hunting means unforgettable, something that we cannot forget. Fragment means part. So these are the important words we need while we read the text. Okay. Subject of a person's dream. What might be the subject of a person's dream? These are the subjects. You may see the picture in your textbook also. So, a person may dream about this thing: family, happiness, love, perfect, flying, about people, known people, unknown people, friends, world, good thing, bad thing, etc. might be the subject of a person, or person may experience in dream. Okay, now reading task. Before going through the text, a student must read the questions, and this will be very helpful to understand or to answer the question. Okay, what is dream? Why do we dream? When has dream become a subject of scientific study? And then, why do you find yourself puzzled? What have the scientists yet to unravel? What are the function of dreams regarding some of the scientists? So these are the 6 questions, and finally, let's start the text. Read the text. Dreams have fascinated philosophers for thousands of years, but only recently have dreams been subject to empirical research and scientific study. Chances are that you have often found yourself puzzling over the content of dream, or perhaps you have wondered why you dream at all. So in this paragraph, we learned that dreams have fascinated the philosophers. Philosophers became very much attracted about the methods of dream, and the contents of dream are very puzzling. And now, recently, dreams have become a subject of research, empirical research, practical research, and scientific study at the same time. And it's true that we also wondered, why do we dream? What is the purpose of dream? Let's go to the next. First, let's start by answering a basic question: what is dream? So it is one of our questions. What is dream? We may find the answer here. What is dream? And why do we dream? Okay, what is dream? A dream can include any of the images, thoughts, and emotions that are experienced during sleep. So actually, we do not see dream, we experience dream. Dream is not a matter of saying, so it's a matter of experience. So while we sleep, we experience an image or thought or an emotion, and these are called dreams. Dreams can be extraordinarily vivid or very vague, filled with joyful emotions or frightening images, focused and understandable, or unclear and confusing. So, dream can be extraordinarily vivid. It can be very clear. We can remember what we dream, and sometimes it becomes very vague, unclear. We cannot remember what we saw last night, and sometimes it becomes very much enjoyable, and sometimes it becomes very much frightening. We feel afraid. We sometimes awake from sleep after a frightening dream. It can be focused, that is very much related to our life and our thinking, and sometimes and understandable at the same time. But sometimes it becomes unclear and confusing. We miss experience a dream what is not related to our life. A student of commerce can experience a dream of being a pilot, or being a doctor, or a student of math can dream about the life of a poor person, etc. So the dream can be understandable or it can be confusing. Let's go forward. Why do we dream? and what purpose do dreams serve? So these are the another two basic questions. While many theories have been proposed, no consensus has emerged. Yes, many philosophers or many experts proposed many theories about dream. They define dream in many ways, but no consensus, no theory is developed um, regarding dream. Considering the time is spent uh, in a dreaming state, the fact that researchers do not yet understand the purpose of dreams may seem baffling. However, it is important to consider that science is still unraveling the exact purpose and function of sleep itself. So, researchers are trying to find out the purpose of dream, but it becomes very much baffling for them, and they are still unraveling the exact purpose of and function of sleep. Some researchers suggest that dreams have no real purpose. This is another important line. Uh, some of them are telling that dream has no real purpose, while others believe that dreaming is essential to mental, emotional, and physical well-being also. Okay, this is the text for you, and now let us try to answer the question. First question is, what is dream? So we get the answer here. Dear student, you can write the answer in your copy. What is dream? A dream is an image, thought, and emotion that we experience during our sleep. So this answer is from the text directly. Why do we dream? It is you to find out why we dream. Yes, in the text we got the line that scientists yet to unravel the exact purpose of sleep, and they do not know the purpose of dream. So the purpose of dreams said by many theorists may seem baffling. So the answer, question number 3. When has dream become a subject of scientific study? Only recently, dream has become a subject of scientific study. So these are the 3 answers. And then question number 4. Why do you find yourself puzzled? We often find ourselves puzzled because of the content of the dreams. Sometimes it becomes very irrelevant and funny. That is, it is not focused or understandable written in the text, but we change the word. Sometimes it becomes very irrelevant and funny. What have the scientists yet to unravel? The answer is, the scientist is yet to unravel the exact purpose and function of sleep. What are the functions of dreams regarding some of the scientists? According to some of the scientists, the function of dreams is to ensure mental, physical, emotional and physical well-being of a person. So these are the answers. You, the student, you may observe that we have changed the answer a bit, and you are suggested not to write the sentences directly from the text. You must change the sentences to get good marks in the exam. Then summary. I think we do not have enough time, so I am reading out. Dream is a subject of scientific study in the recent years. Dream can include our experience during sleep. Dream can be sweet or fearful, vivid or vague, and focused or confusing. Many scientists think that dream has no benefit for us, it is useless, while many others believe that dreams are essential for our mental, physical and emotional well-being. So thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and take care.